Together with her mate, she surveys the property for winter damage. She feasts on spring berries, a treat after months of stale rations. She has other males to feed. After just 2 weeks of milk, the youngsters begin a lifetime of eating trees. Like all kids, they have a hard time sharing.